Okay, again I'm going to have to do a voiceover because I had the radio playing in the background, and I can't have that on the YouTube. But this is a compost bin that I've decided to put together, and what I've done was I made the two sides that you saw first and then put it all together, and then added the back panels, and then created a way of being able to slide in the front cover. And this is the lid, which has all been covered in black plastic, and I lined the inside it with grow bags. So I've had to do another voiceover. Okay, while I was out here yesterday turning my compost heap, because I think it was starting to get a bit wet, so I decided to turn it. But as I was turning it, I realised that all this compost that is already made is going to waste. It is going on top. No, and then I'll put new stuff on it, and so it'll be wasted. So I made this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of that in there until I need it. That'll free up my compost bin, and then I can put fresh stuff on top. And that's my plan for today. That's what's going to happen. So all of that will go in there, some more from the bottom, and I'll start afresh. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye. While I was moving the compost yesterday, I must have disturbed an ant nest, and I noticed these ants trying to get the larvae back into where they're supposed to be. I actually watched these for a long time, but only recorded a small part of it. Sorry about the audio, it's a voiceover. I had to delete the original audio and voiceover, but this was fascinating. Okay, back to normal. Okay. So I have tried my best with these tomatoes, and they are a very sorry looking bunch of tomatoes. I've got other ones sown, but they're not ready yet. So these are doing no good in these pots. It's as if they're like melting, and just, I don't know, I've tried everything. So my last ditch effort is to plant them. And what I'm going to do is, I've got the strings attached to my bit of wood up there. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to dig a hole, and I'm going to put them in as deep as I possibly can. And in the hole I'm going to put some fish blood and bone. Get that a wee mix in. And on the plant itself, I'm going to put some of this stuff. And I can't remember the name of it. Mycorrhizal fungi. I'm going to put that on the plant before I actually put it in the hole. But I'm going to put the string in the hole as well, so that it's buried with the roots. I don't know if I can put these down and actually let you see what I'm doing here. Can you see that? I don't think you can. I don't. Yeah, you should be able to see it now. So fish blood and bone in the hole, string in the hole. I mean, look, there's hardly any roots at all on these. Some micro, sorry about that. Can dog bats at everything. Give me a second, I'll be back in a minute. Sorry, there was somebody at the door. So, mycorrhizal fungi on and in around the plant, and then I'm going to try and bury it up as much and as high as I possibly can without doing any damage. And I'm hoping that that will help the tomatoes come on. I've actually got some juice bottles I'm thinking of, you know, or I might even, no, they'll be too wee. I might even, no roots whatsoever. Which is a reason I done what I've done, and I'll show you later in the video. Anyway, I'll get back to putting these 5 tomato plants in, and then I'll get back to you. While I was putting those tomatoes in, one of them, the string touched the stem of one and it just broke. That's how weak they are. Anyway, I'm going to try and do the same thing with my cherry tomatoes. I'm going to have 3 cherry tomatoes in this small greenhouse. I'm going to try and do the same with them. I personally think that I'm not going to have any tomatoes this year, but we'll see what happens. Okay, back soon. Okay, I'm really sorry, but the stuff that I've been recording just didn't work, so to end the video, what I'm going to do is I put in my corn. I don't know if you can see it there. I put in some green beans. I done my tomatoes. I done my cherry tomatoes. I'm now going to empty the brown compost, the good stuff, into the new bin, and I think that'll be me done for the day. So sorry about all the hiccups and things that happened that shouldn't have happened, but nothing I can do about it. Okay, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye bye.